Dungeons & Dragons can be an extremely fun and rewarding game, but sometimes you'll mesh at the beginning only to find out there's one player that is suddenly being disruptive. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to deal with problem players. If you clicked on this video, then it can only mean one thing: you have a problem at your table. This can mean many things, but usually it's a player that makes the story about themselves, or they go off from the rest of the party, forcing all attention on them, or they're late or disruptive. Whatever the case, everyone is there to play Dungeons & Dragons, and that sort of behavior can bring down party morale. The first thing you want to do is talk to the group. Make sure that there is a problem in the first place, and ask if anyone is feeling uncomfortable. If the answer is yes, you better strap in. Now, you could just kick them, ban them, ghost them, whatever, and the problem would be solved. But that's the dick thing to do, and here on Displays Retreats, we don't condone such things. Talk to them. Talk to them. Let them know what's bothering you in the group and what you'd like for them to do in order to fix it. This is the clearest path through the thickness, I promise. Now, if they're a good person, they'll reflect and learn, but more than likely they're going to get defensive. They might get mad or yell. They may even leave the game altogether. At the end of the day, when you have a problem player, there is no magic solution. There is a solution that all adults must learn. Sometimes you have to confront someone in order to get results. You knew this was the answer even before the video started. Now I'm here telling you what you needed to hear. Hopefully this video helps you deal with your problem players. I know it's tough having to be stern and let someone know that something is bothering you, but it's a good skill to learn, especially if you're the DM. Just remember, at the end of the day, problem or not, they're still human, so be kind. Let me know in the comments below what creative ideas you have used to help with problems at the table. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.